should have, because they still don't, equal opportunities in all spheres of life. That we should not, because somebody is a woman, say that she cannot do something or that she cannot be something. That's what we mean by equality. Now, the equality, and we're talking about equality of the sexes, there have been movements for other kinds of equality. So in parts of the West, there have been movements for racial equality. Nobody tells black people who are asking for equality, nobody says to them, does it mean you want to be white? Or do you think you're the same as white people? You're black and you're white, but the point is that you have equal access. That's what this conversation is about. And when you use the Bible to justify what, in my opinion, is injustice, the problem with it is that I want to then ask you, let's talk about the New Testament. Let's talk about Jesus Christ, because in general, Christianity really is about the coming of Christ. Now let's actually look at the Bible, and it's important also when you selectively pick things from the Old Testament. If you actually go and read about the history of the Bible, you start to understand that the stories are rooted in particular cultures. Now look at Jesus and let's look at how Jesus treated women. And Jesus came from a society that was very patriarchal. The Jewish people at that time did not give any regard to women, like many cultures all over the world. Jesus came, and suddenly Jesus is treating women as though they're his equals. Jesus is talking to women. And the old-fashioned Jewish people are scandalized, because they're like, how can you be giving women this kind of honor? But Jesus is making a point there. When Jesus rises from the dead, the central message of Christianity is that Christ has risen. That's the central message. That's why Easter is really the most important part of Christianity. When Christ first rises, who gets the message that he has risen? That's a very, very important symbol, which people like to overlook, because it's important for us to selectively pick the parts of the Bible that justify our own prejudices. And if you really want to talk about the Old Testament, then I have many things that I want to point out to you that you're not doing, that the Old Testament says that you should do. Yes.
All right, apologies for the religious interest. I do not ever want to discuss religion. It's another topic for another day.
No, it's not. No. I'm sorry. Don't be disingenuous. You used religion to tell me that men and women cannot be balanced. I've used religion to respond, and now you're brushing it aside.
I'll refer to it as biology, science, biology, human.
Shall I answer that now?
Yes, and can you tell me